This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a simple custom aperture. Use black card so light doesn't leak. That's why contrast matters. Measure the lens hood and cut a 1-2 cm outer disc, then precisely cut the inner shape, heart, star, or circle, about 0.5 mm smaller so it fits snug. Once done, reinforce the edges with tape to prevent fraying. Make sure to leave tabs to attach later. This step determines the final bokeh shape and keeps your paper mask stable on the lens. Now mount the mask and configure the lens. Tape the paper mask into the lens hood, centering the cutout. Alignment matters because off-center causes uneven bokeh. Use a fast lens at wide aperture, f/1, 8 to f/2. 8 to get round, pronounced highlights, yet to create small bokeh, stop down slightly while keeping a shallow depth of field. Once done, switch to manual focus and position your subject relatively close to the camera with background lights far away. You finish by composing and refining. Aim the camera so background lights are small points, then step back or move the lights farther to reduce bokeh size. Take test shots, check focus, and tweak aperture. Raising the F number slightly shrinks discs without losing the shaped effect. If you see weird edges or multiple shapes, make sure the paper is flat and centered. Recut or sand the inner edge to smooth jaggedness. Finally, lock settings and capture a series so you can pick the cleanest result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.